Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have a Dialn G65 Network Unlock. We're gonna do the network unlock. This time we are going to be using a different tool. This time we're gonna be using a tool. You guys can look up here my computer. I have a monitor clone to the screen, so we're gonna use an app called Pandora tool, which is very good app and very useful for MTK, Spectrum, and many other MTK devices. Alright, we're gonna double click on it or click and run as administrator. And here we have this phone. This phone, it's Spectrum processor. It's not MTK, so we're gonna have to do something different. A lot of people might think it is MTK device, but it's not. It's Spectrum. The chipset is Spectrum instead of MTK. So here we have, let me focus the screen. Actually, we can see it better on the wide angle. All right, so we have the Pandora tool here. I work off this screen actually for you guys to see better. All right, when it opens up, we're gonna click here on the right left top, and we get to select what we're gonna be using. We have a lot of stuff here. For example, we have MediaTek. We have different brands. MediaTek. If you take a look at it, MediaTek. We're not gonna be using MediaTek this time. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna look for Spectrum. Not many devices use this chipset anymore, but in this case, this one, after reading the information, we figured it out. So it's Spectrum. We're gonna select Spectrum. We're gonna hit select, and here it opens up this the entire screen, and you have different options here. So you can flash the phone, you can read the information of the phone, work on the IMEIs if you need to. This time we're gonna be unlocking the phone, so we go to locks, and we have three options: unlock bootloader, relock bootloader, or unlock network. We need the unlock network this time. So here we have, so you can see again, Dialn G65. They used to come unlock, now they're locking them, so they come lock. Once you put a SIM card in there, it's gonna ask you for a code. And we found the solution. We have the solution to get it unlocked. It's easy and cheap. It doesn't cost a lot of money. All right, let's cut to the chase. We're gonna hit unlock. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. We're gonna hit unlock. Forgive me, I'm recording from my phone, so it's a little complicated. So, all right, you see here, it's saying that CPU not selected. So I forgot one step before hitting the unlock. And we're gonna come up here on the options on CPU. For this phone, I'm gonna select Tiger T310. All right, now we hit unlock network again. So now it's gonna ask you to connect the phone, and we're gonna be using Broom in this case. All right, so here's the phone, and we need a USB Type-C cable. And we're gonna connect the cable pressing volume down. Okay, we're connected. Software has not picked up the phone yet. All right, 1 second. It's a little complicated to do it with my phone recording and having to press the two at the same time. So let me just Try something here. Just gotta try it again. It just didn't. I'm not using. You should use the original cable that comes with the phone. I'm using another cable. So let me just. I'm gonna take the case off. So that way it's easier. And I'm gonna go and hit unlock network and same thing. Volume down and connect the cable. All right, we got it in this time. You can actually release after the software's picked it up. You can see it there. You can see the little bar down here loading. Or we can look at it on the bigger screen. It's doing his magic there. It's working. It's actually connecting to preloader. It is taking a little while this time. Shouldn't be taking that long. Right, we might have to try it again. Just gotta make sure sometimes your USB cable connections are correct. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this tried, and I'll try it again. Actually, yeah, I knew something was up. So it looks like the Panda tool is reacting to it. So I'm just gonna hit cancel and try one more time. I disconnected the phone just to make sure that nothing's gonna happen to the phone. It can actually die through the process. So let me just go ahead and quit the program. Yeah, close it. We're gonna reopen it again. My computer is kind of full, so I'm actually running out of space. I do have to clean up. So there you go. It's opening back up. Sorry guys, it's taking longer than expected. It's usually a pretty quick procedure. It only takes a few minutes to open up and do. Once you do one, it's just pretty basic. All right, remember, same step. Now in this case, I open it again, and if you guys read in the top, it's already the spectrum is already selected, so I don't have to go up here and select it again. So I'm just gonna select the CPU. Okay, and I'm gonna hit network unlock. I'm gonna put my phone back real quick. I think you guys can see there. Remember pressing volume down. We're gonna connect. We're having an issue with this cable. It's just the cable. Let me try the original cable. I was actually trying to. That's why I was trying to tell you guys to use the original cable. Okay. All right, let's give it another try now. Alright, it's not picking it up. So, let me just take the cable out of this side, put it on this side. This is a software that actually works online, so might be some connection issues with the server. Not quite sure. Go ahead, right click, run as administrator, see what happens this time. I'm gonna open the phone, take out the battery for 1 second. With like 5 seconds, put the battery back in. Okay, go again, select CPU. We're gonna go tier 310 and unlock network. Let's see if we have any left this time. All right, looks like it's working. I'll switch to the bigger screen so you guys can see everything's loading in there. It's just connecting to the phone. Then it'll start reading the model, serial number, IMEIs, checking the security. They're unlocking the bootloader. It'll work on its own. So you can see phone is connected. I do not have to touch the phone again. Sorry guys with the mess in my office. It's just I just wanted you guys to see how the process is going. And sorry again, recording from my phone just to help you guys. If you guys are looking for the solution, there it is. Simple. The Pandora tool, it costs like around $80 to activate the license for 1 year, and you can actually get to use it every time you want. So you don't have to pay for this unlock. It's literally free, no credits. You can see here says unlock network. Okay. I'm not gonna try the SIM card inside because I have done thousands of this already, so no need for. Ready to go, ready to be used in any GSM network. So there you go guys, pretty simple. We did bump into a couple issues at the beginning, but this is Dialn G65. Let me know in the comments below if you need any help, if you're running into any issues. When working with MTK devices and Spectrum devices, it's a little tricky. For example, you do have to install the drivers the right way. The Pandora tool is pretty amazing. So if you go to the file location, I'll show you guys. Once you download it, the Pandora tool, you're gonna go, okay, let me show you here. You're gonna go up here and where it says drivers. Do not download drivers online. Just use the ones that they give you. They're pretty good and accurate. So you can see here, Spectrum drivers. Install this one. It depends on, pretty sure Windows 10. If you guys have Windows 10, just hit this one, driver setup. That's the only thing you have to install. It'll automatically pick up the Windows in your computer, and just install it before you do anything, because otherwise it won't work. Make sure the drivers are set up correctly. Thank you again for your time, and I hope you guys find the help you were looking for.